Hey guys, so this is my November BoxyCharm. If you want to get this look and find out what's in the box, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing the BoxyCharm November box 2018. I did open it to like peek inside to see what was in it so I can do like a full look. So the theme of the box this month is Gold Digger. And here's like the little pamphlet that shows you like all of the stuff. And I'm gonna try to do like a whole look today, like I said. So the first thing that catches my eye was the eyelashes. And these are Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. And this is what they look like. Super pretty. And that's why I don't have like any eyelashes or foundation or anything, because I wanted to do a whole look. And those lashes are $14.99. And next is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova. And that's them. And these are $44. Under my foundation, so I can have like that extra glow. And then the next thing is the Luxie Luminous Eye Set brushes. It's a 4-piece brush set that's $24.99. Here they are. They're like gold bronzy brushes, and they're all eye brushes. So I'll be using these for my look today. Then there's a Jonce Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner in the color Black Color. Long Lasting Intense. And this is $5. And last but not least, we have the Ace Beauty palette. And this retails for $24.99. And it has 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. So I actually didn't look at this either. So hopefully I can make a look out of this. So it looks like this. It comes in this little cardboard piece. That just comes off. And then the packaging. Oops. Plastic piece fell off. So these are the shades, and it comes with like the little plastic to protect it. Those are really pretty, and I for sure am gonna be able to make a look off of this. The mini tapered 1-2-1 brush. I'll take this color here called Patchouli, and I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid. So far, what I can say about these brushes is that they're definitely detail brushes. Because they're so small. I'm just gonna take my finger and just a larger fluffy brush, and that is pigmented and quite a lot of fallout. I'll be putting that in the outer corner, and that color is Cinnamon. And what I'm doing is just making the edge super sharp with the cardboard. And then I'm gonna take some of that patchouli again. Blend that out. Take some more cinnamon. Let's take some of this poppy color and deepen that up. Actually, let me take the 131 brush with poppy on it. And put that in the outer corner. So far, they're super freaking pigmented. Like, way too pigmented. Yeah, I would just say take your time with these shadows. Primrose on my finger. And pack it on. So right here, I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye, taking that cinnamon shade and just blending it out in my outer crease, and then taking that burgundy shade and placing it over top. And then I'm taking that primrose and putting it all over my eyelid. I'm just taking my time with this and making sure that the intensity level is exactly where I want it. And I'm still gonna be holding the cardboard so I get that sharp edge like I want. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Cover FX drops. This product is super dry, so I would recommend not putting it all over your face like I did and just using it more as a luminous glow highlighter. Also, use a brush, not your hands. Now I'm going to be taking my Born This Way foundation in Pearl. I forgot to dampen my beauty blender, so I'm just using my setting spray and dampening it that way. But you can do whatever, it works just the same. Taking the product directly on my sponge and just making sure that everything is blended down my neck. Now I'm going to take my concealer. I just took the product and put it underneath my eyes and made sure that I put it way in the inner corner so that my face will look super brightened. Oh, and this is the Mario Badescu Rose Water one. And I'm gonna take my fluffy brush. 141 brush and this color here, Jasmine. And I'm just gonna put that all in my inner corner. Now I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna go in with cinnamon. And I'm just taking that underneath my lower lash line and I'm gonna be smoking that out just with that one cinnamon shade. Now I'm gonna go in with this eyeliner. It's like a black with some sparkle. Not the best eyeliner, but it works. Cleanse up my face with the Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And then I'm gonna spritz my face. So just trim your eyelashes down, and I'm popping on the eyelashes I got from the box. Now I'm just putting on my favorite Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express Mascara and applying my Laura Geller blush in Tropic Hues. Now I'm going back in with the Cover FX glitter drops in Nova and taking that on my dampened beauty blender, and I'm placing that on the top of my cheekbones and my nose for an extra glow. Doing one more spritz to set in the look, and then I'm doing my lower lash mascara. Now I'm taking the Velour Liquid Lipstick by Jeffree Star in Christmas Cookie. Alright guys, so this is my finished look for the November BoxyCharm this month. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.